shooting this one for 2 days now. I don't have a lock. Maybe only this unit. You can still buy this one, but until now they give me some problem for leaking. Maybe they don't have the good seal. So I show you right now what's going on. The problem is, I show you. Let's remove this tank cover. If you can see those two negative nuts there with the rubber seal, they make it very small. That's the cause of the leaking. Get some light so they can see it. So that's the problem there. Since they have a very little seal in the top, rubber seal, it caused some dripping there in the ground. See the water there? I've been troubleshooting this one for 24 hours, still do the same. I tighten everything, but still I have a bad result, still dripping even those tight. So I decided to return this one. So I repackage again. It's bad to say. And then drive to the Lowe's. They said if you already open the box and if you already install it, you cannot return no more due for health purposes, something like that, because they thinking that you already use it to poop, but it's not. So the remedy I do, I just buy the other rubber sealant, the round one is there. So I make it double now, that rubber there, one in the top and one underneath. So far I don't see any, and I put some a little bit sealant there and tie it. Now so far I don't have any water leakage there, so hopefully it works, the one I bought. So I warn you, if you buy in Lowe's, they call a manager, and sorry to say, they said I cannot accept that one, even though exchange item, they don't. That's very bad. So that's only I can say. So I have a bad experience, but it is what it is. So even though you Google it, that's the one it says. If you already open it, you cannot return no more. But if you receive it damaged, as long that you never use it or you never install it, they still accept it. So you have nothing to do. There's their policy, and that's the only I can say. And thank you very much. At least I already know, and you already know too. So be in your mind, it's gonna be happen to you. If that's why if you bought something, check it first. So if there's no damage or there's the damage, return it right away. As long that you never install and you're not using it. Bye-bye. Thanks. So this the thing that's gonna help you to fix that leak. This one is Everbuilt brand tank bolt washer. They give you 4 pieces in one box. In this package, I just put 2 in the top of the tank, 2 in the bottom. I just keep the 2 and use the 2 other 2 in the bottom, and fix my problem. So since they never let me to return it, solve it by yourself. Thanks.